Artisans are a component of the economy, second largest employers in both developing and developed countries. Aside agriculture, this set of people generate income and assist the youths in the area of skills. In the wake of subsidy removal, which led to the hike in the price of petrol, the NNPC Limited recently announced another increase in the pump price of fuel when Nigerians are barely coming into reality with the unpleasant situation in the country. Lamenting the situation, the skilled workers who depend mostly on electricity and fuel to power their generators described the recent developments and epileptic supply of electricity in the country as discouraging.
6,000 multiplied by 7, you can see that we are already on a serious problem, which we may not be able to sustain the business if our running costs is so high. If there is any eventuality that occur, you realize that it's just a matter of time, the business will collapse.
Because of how the situation of the country, people don't patronize us like before.
The removal of subsidy is very hard for us because we are not enjoying it. No customer, we don't work at all. Many of us are sleeping when you reach here.
An economic expert with the Taisho University of Education in Ijebu, Dr. Kunle Oshinusi, condemned the recent development, saying this will destroy the morals of citizens, majorly youths in the country.
It's either you look for an alternative to petrol, which is very difficult to come by for now, or you also try to look at the cost of whatever you have incurred before you determine your price.
The artisans appealed to both federal and state governments to come to their aid, look into the current situation as a matter of urgency, or make provisions for alternative. Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.